Meaning of Dame Grand Cross.
Dame Grand Cross.
Dame Grand Cross.
Dame Grand Cross.
Dame Grand Cross. Dame Grand Cross is an honorific title bestowed in some countries to women who have displayed exceptional service or achievement in their field. It is typically awarded by the monarch or government of the country. The title is considered one of the highest honors a woman can receive and is usually reserved for those who have made significant contributions to society, culture, or politics. Recipients of this title are often recognized as leaders in their respective fields and serve as role models for future generations.